Hi, and welcome to the last week of remote learning. I'm sure you, like me, I don't mind being in the classroom. Nice to see faces and be able to help you directly. But in the meantime, we just continue on with lesson 4, which is on the discriminant. Now, this is a discriminant with regards to the quadratic formula. There are other discriminants you'll learn about maybe in year 12 for matrices. And they are basically just trying to determine special situations. In this case, how many x-intercepts there are, either 0, 1, or 2, depending on the value of the discriminant. So rather than me telling you, we've got the situation of you going to lesson number 4. So let's go lesson number 4, which is out of exercise 5B. We have two videos, one by Mr. Davin and the other one from Mr. Eddie Wong. And as you can see, that's the discriminant. They use a unique symbol, triangle. It's just actually the part of the quadratic formula. Most people use that before they try and solve. So once you've done that, do some summary notes. There are the exercises. And if you're looking for more work or practice, certainly do the discriminant worksheet. As I say, when we get back, second last week, we will be doing the testing. Any questions, please help email me. I will actually post you a video on a question out of exercise 5B number 11 as requested by a student. So keep an eye out for that one. Cheers.